Hi, this is Jill with StampWithJill.com and Fun Stamper's Journey, and today I'm going to walk you through the Journey Holidays Mini Trends catalog. It goes live today on August 1st. So here is the beautiful cover. There is a little bit of glare from the lights in my stamp room, so we're just going to have to work around it. So here is the table of contents and a little bit about Fun Stamper's Journey. Here are the hostess benefits. If you have a party or spend a decent amount of money, you can earn lots of free things. So the sweet spot here is $150. So if you spend $150, you get $20 of hostess dollars, a free ATS, and Bloom benefits. You can also earn host exclusives, special stamp sets here for hostesses, and you can be your own hostess. You don't have to have a party. But here's one of my favorite things. The Bloom benefits. If you place a $75 order from this catalog or from the big catalog or a combination of both, you get to pick something from this page for free, and it's for every $75 that you spend. So this snowflake die is a must-have. The Holiday Fun washi tape is a must-have. All of these are really great. A Halloween embossing folder, really fun stuff. Okay, so if you'd like to become a Journey coach, there are two options, a $49 option and a $149 option. Both are awesome deals. You get lots of free stuff and they're fully customizable. All right, so now we're going to start into the Halloween pages. Now this is a quick tour, so I'm not going to show you everything in the book, but if you'd like to have one of these catalogs, just email me and let me know and I can get one out in the mail to you. So, are you ready for my favorite? Here it is. This guy right here, the Eyes on You monsters, are my absolute favorite. And they can wear glasses and they have googly eyes. Absolutely adorable. Can't wait for it to come in the mail. Okay, so here is a skeleton set. Alrighty. And these pumpkins, wow, these are beautiful. They stamp the coolest designs. They're called Martha's Pumpkins, and it comes with a bundle with matching dies so you don't have to cut it out yourself. Really fun. Here's some additional Halloween samples. Now I'm going to slide this down a little bit on my camera and I'm going to zoom in on this paper. Okay, there we go. How pretty is this paper? Let's see if I can pull it up a little bit more. You have some fall designs, you have some spooky designs, a little bit of candy, all in fun fall colors. So cute. All right, so I'm going to zoom back out. Not so good with the zoom, but we're going to try to get it to work here. Okay, so these accessories are really great. They are Spooky Eve stickers, so they peel and stick. There's some gems, cats, spiders, and skulls. There's a little glare on the table here, but these guys, these Halloween Eve clips, these are super cute. If you are not into paper clips, no problem. You just peel these off and throw the paper clip in the trash, and you've got some really fun embellishments for your cards and your scrapbook pages. Okay, so Halloween tags. If you give lots of treats as gifts, you can tie up your bags real cute. There's a bread tag die that coordinates with these, and you die cut them out and then you decorate them. So they kind of take the guesswork out of it. All you have to do is make it cute. All right, so here we have a witch's hat, a pumpkin, teaches you how to make some really fun stripes on your cards. Now we're moving into Thanksgiving. I like those pumpkins for Thanksgiving, but this fox is adorable. And they'll give you a couple sample ideas here. There is a Color Me Fall background stamp set. How pretty is that? You can see it down here. It looks like in the sample they embossed it. So you have an embossing folder. Okay, so here's another cute one. This one, Thankful Friends bundles. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love a good critter. And this one is a good critter. And check out that yummy little coffee cup. You know how much I like to stamp, and stamping and coffee go great together. So you'll be seeing a lot of this guy. So we have a turkey. We have some more thankful stuff. We have some Zen leaves, also really good. Little bit of gel press techniques. Now we're moving on to Christmas. All right, so here we have some cute ideas. some really, really cute stamp sets. This one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. Personally, I agree with that, but I think back to school is the most wonderful time of the year. Okay, so we have some branch and pine cones, we have some jingle bells, we have 3 wise men, lots of really good things. All right, so we have a cozy knit embossing folder. Okay, here's another really cute one. Gnome for the holidays. I don't even like gnomes, and these are stinking cute. Can't wait to play with those. So you kind of already know what the fun things that I like are. We have some Hanukkah sets, a nutcracker set, some gems. Okay, here's another one. Are you ready? The coffee cups. They are peel and stick. Can't wait for those. Some Christmas paper, also really good. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit on this so you can see the design a little bit better. Super fun. You have some stripes, some plaids, some leaves, a little bit of colorful snowflakes, definitely some Christmas. Great, great card making. The best thing about the Fun Stampers Journey prints is you get 4 sheets per design. So they're 2-sided. So that means you get a total of 24 sheets for just $16.95. Okay, so zoom back out. Okay, so, all right, we have a camper set. Okay, here's another one. Ready? You all know I love reindeer too. So you'll see a lot of merry everything. All right, there's some really fun embellishments down here. And some more tags, some Christmas holiday mix and match wood chip buttons, a tag die set. Okay, here's another one. I'm telling you all my favorites right off the bat. Christmas Magic. These little elf shoes and the hat. Okay, so let me zoom in. How cute is this little sample with the, hold on, there we go. The gift card holder, the scallop pocket for the gift card, and then you put the shoes on the front. Yep, gotta have that. All right, so back down, there's some more accessories, and then there's a little bit of technique, and if you would like to learn about the Bloom Box, which is our monthly subscription program, you can read about that here, and that is it. Thanks for joining me today. If you need a copy of your catalog, just email me and let me know, and I hope you subscribe to my channel.